Candace Kugler here, and I'm at my favorite place, High Octane Body and Paint. Come with me and let's go see what the guys got finished for us today. All right, I'm going in. I can't wait. All right, guys, we got a Porsche on our hands. This is a 2012 911 Carrera S Cabriolet. The customer's chief complaint was that she had a little bit of scratches on her front end bumper, so we went on ahead and changed the bumper out. And this is the finished product. And here's the customer now picking up her car. She is very well pleased with how everything came out with her car. I'll let you guys get a more detailed look. That's how it came out in the front. That's where most of the damage was. And we fixed it. And there she goes.